again, we're here at the Good Evening Ranch, and we have John, the Rebels Riders of West Virginia. He's in a KRX 1000. I think he has 370s or something. I'll find out.
Mike, does it keep going?
Yes. But not bad. This looks like the roughest part. At least for now. I'm not sure, honestly. I mean, it would. But what's killing me is that turbo on my X3. When I get on these rocks and I get up over it, it feels great. But then the wheel starts to spin and it just goes from freaking crawl level to wide open 200 horsepower. And then it grips and it breaks in the axles. I just broke two S3 X Titan X axles, brand spanking new. They have an 18-month warranty, and we're gonna test that out because I didn't even make it one full day, but 2 days here at Good Evening Ranch with them, and I broke them. So we are doing gnarly shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. But they said in their video they would hold up. Oof. Don't bounce it. Anthony will get him up here. All right, this is Jamie from Winchester also, and he's coming up the bypass area. So there is a bypass here if you want to come on up Jackhammer and not hit the actual Jackhammer. It's a big difference between where John's at and where Jamie just came through. Good job. All right, we got Bill with Rebels Riders of West Virginia. Oh, good save. So far. Holy shit. Don't go over, Bill.
I'll tell the next three the way you throttled that thing.
I know. No, he's about to roll.
Right over that little hill is a big hole.
Now he.
I'm afraid you're gonna come off. Yeah. When you went to that, really the only option.
Jackhammer, almost jackhammered Bill. He almost got it. Hopefully we get him winched up out of here safely. And this is the first 20 feet or so, man, of Jackhammer. It is pretty gnarly. It's not real long, but it's gnarly, especially that first part's the key.
Back. John, lock that spool back.
Yeah.
That's why I was backing him up. All right.
I still think that, but he wanted to come this way.
Stay tight to that tree. Keep tight to that tree.
Keep it tight. Now go.
Little more. Right, try it now, Bill.
Yeah, I think you can come on out of there.
Whoa, Bill. Now what? You're on your wind drive. Good now, right? Yeah. If he can't make it up through here, it's fucking burn.
Park it beside the other KRX and X3.
I'll come right up through here. Which way did I come, Mike? You went to top, man. Yeah, my name ain't James. I got it all over.
All right, we got Doug going to try it from Western Kentucky. Hit us up, or hit Anthony up, and wanted to do some riding.
Wait till we get the one out of the way.
He's determined to come up that one, I think. You have to give her a little help. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right, Bill's finishing it out. It's 37-inch rock scrapers. Oh, he's the only one who went this way. Nice.
There's a lot of dirt on that rock.
All right, finishing out Jackhammer. Anthony and I are cameramen now. But we're still getting great content from our riding buddies who are all still holding tight, keeping everything in check. Equipment still holding up. John here, the wheel man from Kentucky. It continues on to the right here, it looks like. Oh, he's going that way. All right. You're going to the right?
I'm gonna go up there and if I can't get out that way.
We got Jamie going to finish this one out. Jackhammer. There you go. All right, we got John on Rubicon. This does?
This will, yeah.
Wow. Is Bill coming this way? There's some Jeeps still hung up down here, so we took Jackhammer maybe about halfway or so. We cut a little cross path over to get ahead of the Jeeps on Rubicon so we can try to get some film out here today. Tomorrow's our last day, or today really, I guess. It says trail to the right, huh? on my seat. Gets gnarly, dude. That's the beginning here is just your normal good little rock crawling here. This gets gnarly through this V, and this next section for a side by side is gonna be gnarly. Little plug for the sidewall plug.
Do what?
Just talking. Sorry. We just put that in last night. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Come on back. Just ease on back. Hey, John. Ease on back. No.
There you go.
You're good. Somebody get in front of me.
All right, you got it?
Yeah.
Yep. I meant to be, buddy. I'm sorry, man. I got caught here in the corner. I couldn't get over there. The whole time I'm standing here going, fuck, I didn't get over there. Let me do that.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So the problem is the rear tire is getting swollen on this side.
Yeah, this is
Can I go straight?
Whoa. Yeah. You're gonna have to come a little bit driver. Yeah.
You don't have to get your back car over this way, buddy. Probably 2 foot. Run it. You sit in the hole there and then your other side's gonna drop down.
Yep.
Come up on this and hook right. Or hook driver up on this side. And keep these back cars up on the front. And when it drops off on this side, it's still gonna be. Yeah, John, I think you gotta get your tire right where your front tire called it. I think your rear tire. Yeah, I think your rear tire's gotta be there too.
That's what I was worrying about. That back tire's got a 4-foot ledge it's got to come up over.
Got to push bumper wheel on that side. It moves wedge in there. Rock it, winch me up there.
Yeah. Good job. Inched John up through
A little bit.
can opener.
Right there.
This is a decent little ledge here, nothing crazy. A little off camber. Yes, I just said that.
Nice and easy.
Yep. I don't like that. If you could have come back a hair and turned driver,
No.
or just
You're about to, if you go forward, you're going to drop. Your driver's side
okay.
drop. Yep. There
All right,
you go.
good deal. I didn't see it. That other side looked like it was about to slide.
That's tough. Yeah, camp is right up there now.
Cam?
Yeah.
Really?
It's
Oh, wow.
There's a big rock garden, but there's no, it's like that. There's 3 spots like that. You can't get up on it, so you probably got to go around.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
I definitely could not get up here on
trail.
32s. There's no way.
Lucky to winch that some bitch.
32s, right?
Yeah, I've been 32s.
You go for it? With 2 axles?
Yeah.
Hey, that's what it looks like from this view.
I think if you had to hit in 2-wheel, I just back up right
And
here
gun it.
and fucking send it directly that way.
Just send it. Say fuck it.
Full onions.
Just full onions. That's what I did earlier.
Alright. I thought onions implied full onion.
There's another one called full onions. It's like below the floor, through the floor.
So turn driver. Hey Bill, turn driver hard. Driver, here's
This is Bill.
I wouldn't keep going that way. Yeah, you better get your tire on that damn thing. Bill, I wouldn't keep going that way. Wait. Go driver. Hard driver. Alright, so go straight now. You're good. Straight. Yep, straight. Yep. Hard driver. All right, straighten it up.
I can't turn the wheel.
That's all right. I know. Come on, get up on that rock. Stay up, Bill. Okay. Beautiful.
It's the back tire you got to worry about now.
Crawl one up, baby. Keep the light. Yep. Just like that. Yep. That was it. Hey Bill, put your harness on,
Please.
please. You're gonna get really tippy here if you back up. Well, I think you're going to go over if you back up. Yeah, stay hard driver when you back up, because you're going to go back up that rock. Hey Bill,
You got a little room to back up.
you don't got no room. He's gonna go.
Oh, he's going to go up.
You're gonna
Well,
go
he's still
really
against.
hard.
He's still against this rock. Try to creep in reverse.
Hey, hold on, Bill.
Just a-
Your rear tire is pinched up against the rock. You're going to start coming up on this side, which is going to tilt you way farther your way.
Yeah,
You're probably going to go over.
Yeah, you're going to go up like 3 feet.
Which is going to put you over because you're too high up here.
So you got to get your nose over or we got windshield. There's really the 2 options.
Turn passenger. There you go.
Yeah, try to keep going up.
Yeah, just keep goosing it, one and all.
Wait, don't do that. Yeah, I went. It's not a good spot. I won't tear the shit up. It ain't good spot.
Or roll over.
Yeah, if you come back, you're dead. Keep winching, turn passenger.
Your other passenger. No, I'm just kidding. That's how you had to come through her. You might have to. Gonna give her a try. We got Bill up through that. We lift him up. And it says, follow me to the gay bar. Tree. Yeah, I think it's about it.
That was the closest one for sure.
I'll run it. I'm done. I ain't gonna.
You can even back it. I don't, or we'll winch you. Yeah, no, you're not touching that on the front, hardly.
You're moving a little bit.
Your rock scraper's catching hard right here.
I think taking bastards off.
And the bad thing is it's in the flat part. It comes out another couple inches. You're just rocking on it.
I'm gonna take them bastards off when I get home.
I was supposed to take mine off this morning. I forgot.
All right, I'll run with you.
Yeah, you got it.
That rock scraper. There it goes.
Appreciate you running that out. I hate to use them damn things.
Yep. Better than breaking everything though.
Yeah, I was pretty much done. I think I did.
There wasn't much. I mean, it's not a lot down there to help you. You'd almost have to have one of them bouncers. Bouncer? One of those hellacious Jeeps.
You only got 2 out of 4, you know.
I was warning her and I was like, "Bo, don't go backwards."
You want to go? Come up through here, yeah.
It gets real tippy here.
The further that way.
Straight down and then back up. Went up.
Yeah. Zone pass down there. Taking trees down. I think we're back over to Rubicon now.